Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do some roast fish, but I'm going to roast it in the oven. I'm going to wrap it in foil paper. I'm going to roast it. So the bad boys, them here, these are grouper fish. So this is what I'm going to prepare today. These are some of the ingredients. This is okra. This is some mixed vegetable. This is my Old Bay. This is my Maggi seasoning. This is my black pepper, my callaloo, and I tell you already about my blend up, which is my onion, my scallion. What I'm going to make a recipe of that to show you guys, and my marjorie. And you know, of course, you have to have your crackers. Yeah, so I mix up the mixed vegetable and the okra. Now I'm going to cut the tin of callaloo and to put it in. No, Mrs. Cut it. Oh. Okay, the callaloo. So what you do, see, callaloo is in water. A lot of water. That's not good. You cannot use that on it. So what I do, I want to put the strain off the water from the callaloo. Good. And you put it here. Good. So this is the time now. We're going to put in our season, which is the black pepper. I don't measure. Black pepper. See, Old Bay. Some people might say, "Oh, you know what amount to use?" I don't know. We Jamaican people don't measure much. Okay, I'm going to use fish seasoning. I remember I tell you about the blend up season, what I always blend. Now it's coming to an end, so I'm going to do another. Everything is blend up in this: onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, black pepper, everything. So I'm going to mix everything now. I get my hot pepper. This is very hot. Alright, stuff the fish with this season. I'm going to put some season there. Season these boys outside. So now this is what's going to happen now. These bad boys is going to get stuffed. Okay, so you use here all my ingredients what I have here, and I'm just going to put them in the fish like that. Looking good. I don't reach nowhere yet, right? You're right. So I put some crackers over there and the marjorie that's to go on it. Yeah, nice. My husband going to love these. Open up, you open up. Okay, so what I do here, I have the foil paper ready. So what I do now, I'm going to put it in the foil paper just like that. Looking good. Take some crackers and some butter. It doesn't matter how much butter you want, crackers you have to put, but I choose to do at least 4 crackers for each fish. That's fish number 1.
Open up, you open up, hit you one BBM.
This is the last one. They said the last one always get the most. I don't know. We're going to wrap them, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to wrap them to stuff them in the oven. You have to wrap them, that's when they start to steam in the oven, nothing doesn't come out. See? This one is finished.
Open up, you open up, hit you one BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you open engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Put now the fish in the oven. The oven is at 350, so it's already hot. So I'm just going to put in the fish now. So I'll let it bake for another half hour. Welcome back. The fish is ready. So, see the amount of juice coming out. Open. Oh my God, this is it. This is how a stuffed fish should look. With the crackers, the callaloo, and a piece of fish. It's hot. Delicious. I have to bring it here. When you're eating something like this, you have to be comfortable. I need a glass of wine now.